Let's talk Instagram. When using Instagram for your business, you're giving the basic tips. Post consistently, use hashtags, try to increase engagement by getting people to like or comment, respond to comments, use Instagram stories. But what you don't hear about is how to effectively use Instagram direct messages, also known as DMs, to help boost your marketing initiatives. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and my channel is all about sharing marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. In this video, I'll discuss 4 ways that you can take advantage of using Instagram direct messages for your business. Today, I'm discussing 4 ways that you can take advantage of Instagram DMs for your business. First, let's talk about what a DM is. It is the messaging application for Instagram, similar to what Facebook Messenger is for Facebook. But personally, if you ask me, I feel like it's a lot easier to use just because they've kept it simple and don't require that you have a separate application to use it. If you have an Instagram account, whether it be for personal or business use, then you've more than likely have already used DMs in some way, shape, or form with people that you are connected to or looking to connect to. But in case you haven't, don't worry, it's super easy to use. In order to use DMs, you simply open your Instagram account and go to the top right-hand corner of the application and look for the arrow or paper airplane looking icon. You click on it. In order to send a message, click on the plus sign and then find the person that you are wanting to message. You can not only type in your message, but you can also send photos, videos, use video chat, or even send a voice message to the person on the other end to listen to. One cool feature that I think is probably underutilized is having the ability to create groups. This comes in handy if you're wanting to narrow down your audience even further. For example, if you're a coffee shop and you want to create a group for your vendors, your coffee roaster, raw juice supplier, pastry partner, it's a great way for you to communicate with them about promotions and other types of discussions. So why isn't just using Instagram post enough? Why would you, as a business owner, want to include Instagram DMs? Consider it a booster. It allows you to start a private one-on-one conversation with your potential customers. It is the second best thing to having somebody's email address. Now, before we move on to the main topic, you need to be aware that using Instagram DMs only works if you do the following. You personalize the message. Automated, one-dimensional messages are a big no-no. People can see right through a canned message or response. Remember, DMs allow you to connect and to start a one-on-one personal conversation. Don't mess it up by sending a generic message. You make it about more than just the pitch. The very last thing you want to do is come off as spammy or salesy. You do not want to send people that have just started following your profile a direct message pitching them something that you are selling. That's both annoying and it's also the quickest way to get people to unfollow you. Think about it. Their first impression of you would be, they don't even know me and they're already trying to push a product or service onto me in the first 5 minutes. This isn't a good sign of things to come. You are really thoughtful about how to go about integrating DMs for your business. Finding out how to use DMs best for your business will not only take time, but also a lot of trial and error. So consider that it is more than likely not going to make sense for you to DM every single person that follows you. After we review the 4 ways that you can take advantage of DMs for your business, I want you to sit down and actually take the time to think about how you can strategically fit them into your business initiatives. Remember that they are the booster. And so pick one way that they can exponentially help your business and stick to it. Okay, so what a great segue. Let's go ahead and start talking about the main topic, which is 4 ways that you can take advantage of using Instagram DMs for your business. Number 1, promote brand recognition for your products or services. Let's say that I own a bow tie company. We have a few of those here in Charleston and I think they're pretty cool. So I really want people to start hashtagging the name of my business every time they wear one of our bow ties. One way that I can boost this initiative through the use of DMs is to identify the top 10 followers that I have that wear my bow ties the most often. I send a private message like this one that says, Vivian, I want to send a sincere note of appreciation for supporting Bowtie Bandit. I noticed that you are enjoying your collection and often share your images. As a thank you, we have selected you as one of 10 Bowtie Bandit customers to enter a chance to win a $150 gift card. If you would like to be entered into the drawing, simply use the hashtag #BowtieBandit the next time you wear one of our bow ties. The drawing will end on March 23rd. Good luck. You can modify the promotion, the message, and the approach, but don't be afraid to give people a gentle push to raising brand awareness for you. Number 2, create a VIP group through DMs of your top 10, 20, or 30 biggest advocates and send them exclusive offers. This is somewhat similar to item number 1 that we just discussed. However, the idea here is not to spread brand recognition, but rather to thank those that are spending the most money with your business. If I own a jewelry store, I go through my followers list and see who comes in frequently. I then create a group and call it VIP. I send an introductory message that would read something like this. VIP customers, thank you for your continued support of Jane's Jewelry Shop. Since you are one of our most treasured and loyal customers, we've included you to our VIP group. As a member of this group, you will receive monthly exclusive offers and discounts. It's our way of saying thank you. The key to this approach is to keep your VIP group small and to offer them something that you don't offer others. That way, they'll really feel like you're setting them apart from the rest of your customers. Number 3, real-time promotions. So this one will take a little more work and effort in the sense that you'll have to be checking it every so often, and it does require a higher level of engagement than the others. But it is perfect for a brick and mortar store. Most people, if they are out and about, will hashtag or geotag the location that they are visiting. You can search for these tags and then send DMs to those people that are in the vicinity of your business. For example, if I'm an ice cream shop that's located in the Isle of Palms, which is a small, quaint beach town outside of Charleston, I would search for people who have used the hashtag Isle of Palms recently. I would more than likely find a few people that have used that hashtag within the past 2 or 3 hours, which means that they still may be at the beach. I could open up the conversation by sending them a DM that says, Vivian, we hope that you are enjoying your visit to our Isle of Palms community. If you're looking to cool down, feel free to stop by our ice cream shop at the end of Isles Boulevard. Mention this DM and we'll give you 20% off your order. You can also use this tool for people who have tagged your business while visiting. If you're a coffee shop and someone has taken a nice picture and tagged your business in it while they were enjoying their breakfast, then send them a DM thanking them and also include a small offer for a free cookie or free coffee on their next visit. Number 4, keep a line of communication open for your customer base. It's always a smart idea to keep a pulse of how well your products or services are performing for your customers and clients. DMs can help you do that. If I sell lotions locally to about 3 stores in the area and I notice that someone has tagged my lotion in a recent Instagram post and it happens to be for the newest scent that I just launched, it would be a great opportunity for me to reach out to the customer and say, Hi Vivian, I noticed that you recently purchased our Jasmine Scented Body Lotion. It is our newest scent and I wanted to see how you were enjoying it. Do you have any comments or insights you would like to share regarding the lotion? If you are a service-based organization, you could consider sending a link to a very short survey or just send a simple DM checking in to make sure that everything went well during their last service. While I presented 4 ways today that you could take advantage of using Instagram DMs for your business, it goes without saying that there are endless and countless creative ways that you can use this tool to engage further with your customer base. Just don't forget that spamming is never cool and social media is meant to be social, which means you want to engage, to speak with, and to people, not at people. So no blanketed, unpersonalized, spammy messages should be going out. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Simply just hit the subscribe button. Also, feel free to share it with somebody that you think may find use out of this information today. If you want more marketing tips, tools, and tactics, feel free to visit my website at theseasonedmarketer.com. And as always, I'll see you next Monday for another marketing tip, tool, or tactic.